I would completely concur with what Prana has told regarding the cyber security measures and the resilience which should be brought in. The pandemic has actually helped in the development in adopting this security as a major topic to be discussed in the board meetings with for example our organization which was completely offline prior to pandemic became all of a sudden online. The hearings, everything started online. So how do we protect the data of our clients, and how do we at the same time facilitate our lawyers and the office people to access the data in a secured fashion? And when I talk about security, security should be the prime focus now with the enterprises getting into work from anywhere, work from any device, and be always available. So when we are talking about this, I would stress upon three principles: that one should have implement zero trust, verify explicitly, then use least privilege access, and assume as if there is a breach. When you assume or when you feel that there is a breach, you make a simulation of that breach, and in the process the workforce, the IT workforce who work on it, get trained and subsequently train the users also. So security is that aspect which should be implemented, as well as there should be a regular training. Unless and until we train and unless and until we discuss the impediments which might happen from a simple link which might come in into the through a mail, that mail itself, a unknown user who doesn't know the implicit action of that link might jeopardize whatever the security implementation is there. So I would stress that we should start with the basic things like training people, giving them knowledge about the cyber security implementations which we have done, plus adopt thanks to cloud technology, because it is quite easy to adapt to various security uh, applications which can be integrated into the enterprise applications. The other factor which should be stressed upon is that when, because now everybody or every company wants their user to use a app. So whenever a app is chosen or built, it should be thought about the from the design perspective also. Security should be first thought about, then the application should be built. Security by design. So on an overall, whenever we are doing something, we should make sure that how security is playing a factor, and how do we mitigate if something happens. Simulation is another factor, because there are lots of applications or lots of company, because of the POC which is happening, which was earlier there, but with this pandemic the POC system has grown to another level, whereby they can create a environment similar to your environment, taking the specs from you, and then allow you to play around with, simulate the various factors, and then it becomes easy, and we get a complete dashboard plan in which if something happens, how do we mitigate.